That's my black ass sister, Kia, and she gonna help us do the challenge today.
Yes. So Kia went out.
I'm single too.
Oh my gosh. Hey, Kia went out and bought all the baby food for us. Took the labels off, so it's totally random. We don't know what's what. And Kia's gonna have it and tell us if we got it right. So.
First one.
Oh, that snap crackle pop.
Ew, this looks disgusting.
Bruh. Beach nut.
What?
Not Gerber. Beach nut.
Looks disgusting. Oh.
Dang, where's the drop?
I was trying to show it.
You ready? One.
That's look good.
Is it apple?
And what else? Mango? There.
Yeah, or something else in
Ew, you keep eating it.
there? Shit low key.
Apple. I know it's looking good. Here's our applesauce.
No, I know apple.
Apples and carrots?
Nope.
Is there apples in it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
What's your last guess? Bro, you don't know it.
Apples and squash.
No. What's your keys?
I don't know. I get the point. I said apples.
It's apple and cherry.
Apple.
Apples and cherry. That's random.
I got half.
Whatever. 0.5. Nice. Taupe color. Gotta be descriptive.
Beige. Ready?
Yeah. Apples?
No.
Pear.
And what else? I can't.
Pineapple?
No.
Pear. What else? Fuck.
Is it a vegetable?
No.
Pear and banana.
Pear and cherry.
No.
Damn.
I don't fucking know.
This is kind of good actually. I could eat more of this. It's like applesauce. Pears and oranges.
Nah, I'm done. I got half a point.
I feel like I need to redeem myself. Pears and grapes. Okay, fuck it. What is it?
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Fuck is gonna
Hold
guess
up.
raspberry?
I want to know when they started putting raspberry in baby food. Like,
I got
it was
four.
not this good
I got 4.
when I was a baby. Did we do this one yet? No. This one's so yellow. I like the color. Ew, it looks slimy. Yeah, I'll eat this one. Nice slimy yellow stuff. Ready? Kaylee, you better get this one. Mango!
How many points you got?
Boy, try.
No, you got another one, right?
No.
You got sweet peas.
Oh yeah, she got two.
You got two for you.
That was really good.
Got the last two right. You know, bitches.
I don't need the pressure. Okay?
That shit look nasty.
Apples and what?
Cranberry.
Nope.
Raspberry.
Nope.
Blueberry.
Blackberry. Damn.
Hey!
That's all berries.
Ooh, that was
You gotta get this one. We tied.
I do taste the blueberries in it though.
I was just gonna guess berries.
But I don't think y'all gonna
Because
get
apparently they put raspberries and blueberries and all that fancy shit in baby food now. Oh, this one looks gross.
Come on, stop shaking this shit.
Ew.
Bruh.
This one looks nasty. Ew. Oh.
Bruh.
Y'all not gonna get
Disgusting.
Y'all hear it? Squat.
No.
Corn.
And what else?
Come on, what else? What?
Yeah, something else.
Mmm.
Ew. Corn and peas.
It's so Someone else can?
Yeah.
I don't want to take another bite. It's making my nose run.
Corn potato?
Sweet corn and sweet potato. Yep. Yeah. That's nasty. I want more of the mango.
3.5, 4.5.
This
One
mango's
doesn't
definitely
yet.
good. That mango is good, y'all.
She lost again. She's gonna take 3 scoops. 1 sweet pea. This mango. 1 mango, which she likes. And what's the third one? Oh, and corn. What else was in this kid?
Sweet potato.
Corn and sweet potato.
Ew. See, I'm weird about textures. Not
Well,
like this.
oh, what? Oh.
That looks.
So.
Thanks, Kia. I don't want to spill it.
All that stink too.
It does stink. It's like 3 different colors of goo.
Alright, there you go.
You just put all that in mango.
Who finna eat it? You gotta swallow it. Don't look at me.
That's disgusting. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. While you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Briella Montreal.
Thank you, Kia. God bless you guys. Alright.
And we'll see you next time.